Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. This is Jeff, and welcome to my channel. What we're going to be doing today is unboxing a set of rear Bung King crash bars. They will be going on my 2022 Softail Street Bob. So it's going to be the Softail version, not the Dyna version. So I already actually cut the box open because the guy had actually sealed it up pretty good, taped it up pretty good, and it kind of took a while to cut it open. So he said that they never were installed on the bike, so they look pretty clean. This is called a Duro or something like that helps it from digging into the ground. If I were to go down, it just skips and, you know, off the ground. So yeah, they're pretty beefy, pretty heavy. They're supposed to be same size as your actual pegs, so the passenger will be comfortable putting their feet on here as well as a protection. So yeah, these look pretty legit. I mean, to me they look pretty clean. So that's that one. And we got the hardware. Look at that. I think it's some hex bolts and all that. So I'll be using some of those. I'll be installing this for you guys too to take a look at. Make sure, let's get this out of the way.
Music licensing reimagined.
Alright. Here's the second set. Just want to make sure this guy was telling me the truth, that they were never installed, but I'll be putting the links down to where you guys can actually purchase this as well. So yeah, man, these things are legit. I mean, real nice quality. He wrapped them up pretty good, so there we go. Jesus. Saran wrap, huh? Better than scratching them up though. So Jesus. Alright, so I think the two bolts go here. I gotta figure out which one's the right side and which one's the left side. They've got two different mounting brackets on them, as you can see there. So, and then we just gotta go out to the bike and see how they fit, and see if I got the TBR exhaust, and I want to see if they fit on there. So yeah, these are the Bung Kings rear crash bar for the 2022 Street Bob. This is my first impression to see what they look like, the quality, and see how easy they're going to be installed. So that'll be another video that I'm going to make. But yeah, these are clean, these are legit. I like them. Pretty beefy, and I think they'll do the job. Alright guys, see you guys on the install video.